The Leetaltree 16% Nonstick Set aims to equip your kitchen with everything you need. It includes pots, pans, utensils, and even a steamer. The non-stick coating is a key feature. It helps prevent food from sticking. This makes cooking and cleaning easier. The cast aluminum material heats up quickly and evenly. The handles are made of Bakelite. This helps keep them cool to the touch. The set is designed to be non-toxic, free of PFOS and PFOA. This is important for health-conscious customers. The black finish gives the set a simple, modern look. The variety of pieces allows for cooking many different meals, from bacon to steamed vegetables. Using the Leetaltree 16% Nonstick Set is fairly straightforward. The utensils are helpful. They complement the pots and pans. The steamer insert is a bonus. It allows for healthy cooking. The different sizes of pots and pans are useful for various recipes. The non-stick surface does make cleanup easier. However, it's important to follow care instructions. This will help maintain the non-stick coating. Things like metal utensils can damage the surface. The set is a good option for those starting out or wanting to replace an older set. It's a convenient way to get a complete cookware collection. It is important to note, like with all products, to check the included documents for warranty and care information. Overall, the Leetaltree 16% Nonstick Set offers a comprehensive solution for kitchen needs. It provides a good range of cookware and utensils. The non-stick feature is a practical addition. The set's design focuses on simplicity and functionality. It may not have the same beauty or prestige as a high-end brand like Gipfel. However, it offers a functional set at a more accessible price point. Customers may have questions about the long-term durability of the nonstick coating. To find answers, a search online or checking customer reviews could be helpful. Privacy policies and currency exchange information are not directly related to this product, but are important to consider when making online purchases. Pros: value, sturdy handles, lightweight pots, fast heating, easy to clean, non-stick, silicone handles, silicone utensils, durable, even cooking, food doesn't stick, nice looking. Cons: coating unsafe, coating flakes off, lids don't fit, no care papers, no warranty, handles loosen, needs tightening, would not buy again, black coating in food, regret purchase. Features: non-stick coating 16-piece set, pots and pans, utensils included, steamer included, cast aluminum, Bakelite handles, non-toxic, PFOS, PFOA free, black color. The Leetaltree 16-piece cookware set includes pots, pans, cooking tools, and a steamer. It's made of cast aluminum with a non-stick coating, making cooking and cleaning easier. The handles are made of Bakelite, which stays cool while cooking. The set is black and is designed to be non-toxic, meaning it's free from harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA. The Leetaltree 16-piece cookware set offers a variety of pots and pans with utensils, boasting features like fast heating, easy cleaning, and a non-stick surface. However, despite being lightweight and nice looking, the set has significant drawbacks. Users report that the non-stick coating flakes off, sometimes ending up in food, and that the lids don't fit properly. Additionally, the handles can loosen and require tightening, and the set lacks care instructions and a warranty. Some users have expressed regret over their purchase, citing concerns about the coating's safety.